Let's review how to add an open house to your listing. From the Listing Edit screen, you can simply come over to your left-hand menu, down to Open Houses, and it'll quickly take you down to the Open House section. You can see the orange button here to simply add a new open house. Now, there are a few steps to adding a new open house to your listing. We'll need to start with the open house type. Will this be a broker open house, or will this be open to the public? We'll also need to determine the open house method. We have a couple different options here. To be able to see the definitions of what each of these types mean, you can simply click Show Options Help. In-person will represent the traditional open house, where you'll have people physically coming to the property to view the home. You also have the option of an in-person and live video, so you can have both the standard open house, where people are visiting the property, but also offer to stream a live video of an open house tour. You also can elect to have only the live video option if your sellers prefer that, and you can provide the streaming information. Based on what you select here will affect the fields. For instance, if we pick a hybrid of an in-person and live video, we'll see we now have an additional field to add in our virtual open house URL. If we go back to a standard open house, that field will no longer be available. We'll then also want to select our open house type. This is the way that the visitor would gain access to the property. So we can elect to have it with an agent. We also will add our date. We can add our times for the open house, so our start time and our end time. And we can also add any open house remarks. This allows you to add any details or instructions. You can also, if you're choosing a virtual method, provide any instructions on how they will be able to access that live event. Another feature you have available is to schedule reoccurring open houses. So if you would like to have consecutive open houses on multiple weekends, you can simply check this box. You can set an end date and pick the days that you would like the reoccurrence to happen. So we'll pick Sunday here. We'll pick an end date. And then we'll be able to click Save and Close. And you can see our upcoming open houses. We also at any time can cancel these. So should you receive a contract and want to cancel those open houses, we can simply select which ones we would like to remove and click Delete Selected. Now, another way that you can access open houses, if you've already had your listing active and you're adding this after the fact, we'll simply come to the back button here. And from your listing management screen, you can see you can either access a full edit screen, or you can simply come to More, and this will allow you to directly access open house. And here we are, and we're able to go right in and make those adjustments to our listing. I hope you found this helpful.